Today I'm sharing a cozy spring bedroom refresh as I transition from winter to spring. Join me for a slow living homemaking reset with cleaning, organizing, and cozy decor. And even though there's snow outside, I'm in the mood to already welcome spring. So this is my bedroom, and I wanted to show you the entirety of it as it is. A little bit messy, but you can definitely see all of the winter vibes. Let me show you how it looks outside. It is for sure beautiful, but I am trying to move on from all the Christmassy and wintry vibes. Even though it is very snowy outside, I want some spring in my life. All right, let me show you the bed. You can see that it's pretty much stuck on Christmas vibes. I have these sheets that are very wintry too. They kind of remind me of holly. And then this duvet, it has like red snowflakes. So I went on Amazon and I was looking for something springy, light, and just, I don't know, like cozy, but not in the way that it'll like reflect winter. I found some beautiful green gingham duvet, and it comes with like the pillowcases. And then I was looking also on Amazon. I wanted something very like floral for sheets. I couldn't find ones that I wanted, but I'm going to be in the hunt for them, maybe possibly for like May, when here in Michigan we get like the most flowers. But what I did find was in Target, I found the most beautiful sheets for spring, and I will show them to you. Let me show you the sheets that I got for my spring refresh. These are by Target and they are so adorable. It gives me all of the cozy cottagecore vibes, and they are just very feminine and romantic. And they have like ruffles at the ends of the sheets. They're 100% cotton, and I love the eyelet detail. I think they're so cute. I'm gonna leave them down linked in the description box below. Figgy, I'm sorry, but you have to go. Come on. I'm going to be removing all of these sheets, putting them in the washer, drying them, and then they have to retire until next Christmas season. So I've been a Michigander for 10 years. I'm taking you back all the way to 2020, and we were tired of the cold. So we moved to Arizona where my family lives, and we were in a very hot weather. It was sunny every single day, and trust me, sunny days get tiring. I really missed the 4 seasons. So because of my husband's job, and truly because we really missed Michigan deeply, we moved back in 2022, and the first 4 years were magical. The snow was just amazing, and this year, in my defense, this year has been extremely harsh weather, record lows and lots of 0-degree weather days, even in the negatives. I know I can't control the weather outside, but at least I can bring some brightness and pops of color. My home, still making it feel cozy, but calmer and just springy. But I do not recommend you guys ever getting mirror furniture. They get dirty so easily. You can see every single fingerprint. My son likes to cuddle here in the morning before he goes to school. So there's always like cups and snacks and things all around over here. But yeah, I want to like simplify this area. We're going to clean it up. I also wanted to show you this cute little oil lamp. I think I'm going to make like a cozy corner here in my bedroom because I have like a really large sofa, and I'm going to add this instead of like a candle. I think it's gonna be so cute. I got this at an antique store. So I just want to keep it real simple, like I said, for spring. So I'm gonna have my alarm clock, my Bible, Bible study for women, and then my Kindle, probably right here so that I don't forget to read. Even though I am done with winter this year, I see the weather seasons with such beauty and intention, and they are so purposeful because each season after Christmas, I'm deeply waiting for spring. It gives me hope and something to look forward to. We have so many wild daffodils in the property, and I planted tons of tulips in my front yard, and I just want to see them bloom. All right, let me put this in the wash and grab the new sheets and the new duvet. New sheets and duvet washed. I got this from Amazon, and everything that I'm showing you today will be linked in the box below, the description box. But I wanted to keep it very light and airy, like I said, and we got that headboard. We love it. It's kind of like velvety, and it has like those tufted details, but I wanted to keep my room a little bit more like bright. So I grabbed this from Amazon. It is a headboard covered, and I hope that it fits, and I think that that's going to change the entire look of the bedroom. I also ordered a cover for my bench because I don't like the millennial gray-ish stuff. I used to decorate very modern back then, and now I'm all for really good antique pieces, wood pieces, stuff that is just going to be very classic and very the longevity of the design will actually like prevail. I don't know how else to put it, but crossing my fingers that it actually fits. I like it. Other things that I'm looking forward this spring is giving my home a spring cleaning refresh room by room, and also getting some new chicks that will eventually turn into our meat chickens and egg layers, and also planting our summer garden this spring. If you're new here and you are enjoying this content, I would invite you to subscribe. I have tons of organization and decluttering videos mixed with spring cleaning. I'm also honing down my skills in this homesteading front, and I would love to share that journey with you. I have a series of videos that will be all about sourdough baking. So if you love cozy homemaking, slow living routines, and seasonal home resets, you'll feel right at home here. I think this will look cute to give it like that floral vibe. So now let's move into this side of my bedroom. I want to share my beautiful vanity that I got at an estate sale. It is solid wood and it has marble on top. I think I got a deal. So definitely don't miss estate sales. I wanted a space where I can apply my skincare and do my hair and some makeup, because I share a bathroom with 2 of my daughters, and 3 girls in a bathroom is chaos. And I was getting a little bit mad because of the disorganization and just the mess. So you can see that it's kind of messy over here, so I'm going to clean it up and show you in its entirety how beautiful is this antique vanity that I got at an estate sale. It's kind of weird how this antique vanity was made, just because it has like this hole in here, but I guess it's like for when you do your makeup or whatever, you can like really get close and like set your stuff over here. I sometimes even put my feet up here, but I'm adding this piece of marble for now that we used for our flooring because I like to have my stuff over here. And I also added these lights from Amazon, and I know they don't look too pretty or aesthetic, but they really do the trick. Like, they just light up, and it works great for when I'm doing my makeup. They're kind of an eyesore, but it's all right. These are all of my essential oil perfumes, and they're just like flower essential oils, like rose, gardenia, neroli, davana, magnolia. They smell so good, and I use them as perfume. I want to get like a wooden box where it has like little drawers and I can organize all of my skincare, but for now it's just gonna have to stay like this. One of my favorite things about this bedroom refresh is to create a cozy corner for me, whether it is to read the Bible, something very comfy and cozy, or also just to be creative and do my watercoloring and all of my new hobbies that I've been wanting to do. I have this bag my mom sent me, like loops and a lot of like thread to do some embroidery, so I'm really excited to start that. I have lots of patterns, and yeah, I think this is a perfect space. I am going to be putting my treadmill somewhere else. Sometimes when you edit videos, it takes hours and hours and you're just sitting there. So I also got myself a desk. I'll show you either in this video or next video when I organize my office area, but I'm going to be moving this over there. And then this, it is my birdhives gourd that I grew last summer. And it is drying, that's why I had it hanged, because it's still green in some parts and it's gonna dry. And I have this salt lamp, but it's not going to illuminate enough for me, but I need a little lamp. So I went to the thrift store and I got a really, really nice little cute lamp for this area. And then over here, I added brushes, watercolors. And then this is one of the watercolor books that I found on Amazon, just like to teach me the basics and stuff. So I will put this in here. I've been collecting some of these coloring books also. This one, I haven't started it, is Veggie Life, all about gardening and stuff. I love that. So right in this area, I love thrifting because books are literally $1 at my thrift store. It is a Salvation Army. I think it's the same price everywhere in the country. But I've collected all of these books because I want to get into quilting too. But first I'm going to master watercoloring and embroidery. It's a nice little place to keep them safe for now. To be adding this magazine stand that I also got at the thrift store. This bedroom already feels lighter and calmer, ready for the new season. My cat loves the bedding too. And even though there's snow outside, this is like a new fresh beginning to the year. If you've been craving to do a spring bedroom refresh, I hope that this video motivated you and inspired you to do so. If you enjoyed this video, I'm leaving another spring homemaking video for you to click on right here.